like them. Jamming on the beat. It sucks me out and don't make like them.
Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. Glad to have you. And today I have my Ipsy Glam bag. And if you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam bag, I have all the information down below. And it's $14.99 a month and $1.99 shipping. And with that, I don't know why I got a nail in my, who knows? They're all in my hands, so I don't know where that one came from. Yep, they're all on this hand. All on this hand. I don't know where that one came from. Anyway, this is July, and you get, I believe it's 5 items. Now sometimes you'll get a full-size item here and there, and sometimes it just depends. And you do get to pick, I think it's 2 items, or 1 or 2 of your items. And they don't usually come in a bag like this. They usually come in like a makeup style bag. Now this is what I used to have in, I believe, the glossy box, or what is our other box called? Glossy box is the one that closed. I can't remember, but they had this one before in that. So I knew I had seen that bag before. I told you. Because I used to get it too. Okay. So I'm just going to start here. And I'm going to grab my glasses. Because you think I'd have my crap together just once in my life. But it ain't going to happen. I told you I look at my granddaughter, my great-granddaughter. I thought, oh Lord, she's the same mess I am. It ain't going away. Anyway, let's see. First you get this card, and it'll tell you your products. And their value. And I got a, my goodness. I've not had clean glasses since my ex died. He used to clean my glasses for me because I couldn't do it by myself. Okay, we're going to do this first. NEEN Duo Eyeshadow Brush. And it's valued at, heaven only knows. And it's dual-ended. And it's by NEEN, N-E-E-N. Not. I'm going to be honest with you. Because I don't know any other way to be. This feels, it's a number 2. And it is very light. It just has, it kind of has the element of, you know, those cheap brushes you get for your grade school kids. That's kind of the element it has. And if I'm reading it right, this price, I'll put the price on the screen, but I swear it's saying like $23 or something. But it's so tiny, you can't, you know, my eyes are bad. We all know that. What do they want from me? I have to put it on the screen when I can take my phone and blow it up and find out what it says. I don't know why they do that. It's almost a waste of ink. Waste of ink and paper. And then, just throw that on the floor. I got facial Radiance pads. My First Aid Beauty. And I have a thing of those in my bathroom. And basically, all they are is, if you remember the old Stridex pimple pads that we used to use, it's that, but it's got like vitamin C serum on it, and it's supposed to brighten your skin. And I mean, this would be handy to put in your purse. So yeah, I'll put that in my purse. You know, with everything else under the sun. Yeah, I mean, I've not used them on a regular basis, like you're supposed to, but I have used them a couple times as a refresher because I have, I have psoriasis so bad that I'm constantly having to exfoliate somehow. But yeah, I'll put all the prices on the screen when I can blow it up. Sometimes I want to blow it up. It's like, come on, people. Remember that cheap brush? Just what I need. Red. Okay, then this is Keys. SOULCARE. Protect your light. SPF Daily Moisturizer. Well, I would like to say this is a Deluxe Mini, but it's not. There's no way. But here's what it looks like. And I'm just curious about something. Because this is what they tend to do. Oh, they got a foil wrap on it. This is what they tend to do a lot of times with these things. Okay, we're going to just experiment. Oh, I guess it did come straight out, so it is full. But a lot of times, it's not. And I was just wondering, if it's full or if it's... Yeah, but it's SPF 30 moisturizer. So, I'll use it. And then, we got this thing. I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. It's Soft Matte Foundation in Beige 2. And it's from AILVORI. That's how it's spelled. And this is the size. This is what she looks like. And it's got a seal on it. I'm just trying to see how I can open it. Well, that was a lot easier than most of them. Sometimes I get so frustrated with these makeup ones. And this one would appear to be full too, which that never happens. But we will do the old swatcheroo. Ooh, there's a lot of yellow in that. How much yellow is in that? But that little drop went a long way. Covered up my track marks pretty well. Track marks. It's from being in the hospital so many times. Okay. Yeah, everything's falling on the floor. I'm putting it over there on the table and it's just rolling off and falling on the floor. And then we got this. This is LITHE Beauty Night and Day Eyeshadow Palette. Maybe. And it looks like this. Pretty colors. The shimmer here is very pretty. Of course, you can't see it on my skin. It matches my skin almost. It's not a bad formula, but it seems a little splotchy. But there's that. So, This month kind of sucky for them. I mean, usually, this is kind of a bad month for them, quite honestly. So to recap, if I can find my, here it is. So let's recap real fast. Okay, we got this bag. We got the hair. We got the makeup brush. We didn't get a hairbrush. We got a makeup brush. We got the foundation. We got the Keys moisturizer. The LITHE palette. And face Radiance pads. So, yeah, you got your $15 worth. I wouldn't say you got a whole lot over that, but I'll do all the math, and I will put it on the screen, and I will leave all the links down below, as I usually do. So anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe. Do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.